Okay, y'all. I know it's been a while. I have not been posting. Your girl been trying to get back in her creative bag. So, tonight, I tried on 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different lip glosses for you guys. I did a little lip gloss haul. Right? I got 2 lip glosses from Fenty in the shades. Ooh, I can't see this. What does it say? Cookie jar. This one is Ussy Heat. This one threw me for a loop because when you put it on, it definitely does have a tingle to it, and I'm assuming that's because it's a part of the lip plumper trend right now. But my favorite color is the Ussy jar. This one is kind of cool too, but it's not that, you know, it's like real subtle. It's real me. This to me is nude, and I like nude. I don't really like too much. I don't even like putting on lip gloss, to be honest with you. I don't like putting nothing on my lips because I be feeling like my lips is already too big. So what putting extra shit on it is just, besides chapstick, is doing too much. I also got these lifters from your local Target. These were suggested by my bestie Anna because she had this the other day when we had went out, and I was trying to figure out like, yo, them lip glosses is fire. And again, I got them in new colors. This shade is U21 Gummy Bear and 012 in Opal. I think Opal is my favorite because it's like a peachy nude. And this one is like a bubblegum pink kind of nude. So, out of the 2, this one is my favorite. I had a drugstore brand. This don't even have a name on it. Oh, it does. Juicy Melon. It's a lip oil. This is something that my bestie gave me for my birthday a while ago. I do have Huda Beauty. This one is Demi Matte. And that's what I was using for that, you know, in the middle type vibe where you want to have like a little pink or a little lighter highlighter action going on, you know, the little shellac. I put that there. This is okay, but I won't be using it like that. This is a regular glittery lip gloss. I forgot where I got this from. And these 2 are Sephora brands. And these are the dark lip glosses that I was using as lip liner. Okay, so my favorite combos that I put together that I like that I did tonight is the Opal and the Huda Beauty. These 2 are my top 3 favorite. The second would be the Ussy jar and the Huda Beauty with the Sephora dark lip combo. These 3, this would be my number 2. Number 1 would be Opal with Huda Beauty with Sephora. That's my number 1. If I was going out and I just wanted a little chill vibe, this is what I would choose. So, you guys, this is my first time name dropping the things that I had used for the night. I normally don't do that because your girl ain't sponsored, but you know, when you pay for it with your own money, you do basically whatever you want to do, right? So, let's talk about how when girls do their lip combos, they could go very, very dark or they could go very, very light. Depends on your preference. Some people could do like a lipstick or a lip stain, lip pencils with lipsticks, or lip pencils with lip gloss, or like it's very different combinations. You can even use some of your eyeshadow palettes to do a lip combination if you don't have any lip gloss or lipstick. The more you know. Ooh, child, my lips feel dry right now from all that wiping pores. Blistex, moisturize your lips, honey. Nobody likes dry lips, and especially when you have big lips and they dry.
Their lips going through turmoil. Their lips changing the color.
Yeah, so I definitely don't like the lip trend, like some lip trends, but I don't like the overlining. That's what I don't like. I don't really like when people overline their lips. Like, if your lips are already big, I don't think you should overline your lips. And what I mean by overline, I mean by, let me get a pencil. I'm gonna demonstrate right now. All right, let's get to overlining. There's a mirror. This is overlining. Let me show you what the girls are doing. And now they go up over their lip line, and then they're coming like right up here, and then they're going down, and then they will come here, like way outside. Like, you sort of how before. Now look how it looks now. This is too much. Now you outline your lip, your cupid's bow, and back down. Same thing with the bottom. Alright, you see this? This is normal. This is my lip shape. You like that? That's your preference, do you? But to me, when you have big lips, this is doing way too much. And then your lip is not on your skin. Your lip is not up here. Like, your cupid's bow and everything is down here. So the girlies are doing this. And then they're taking dark lip gloss, and then they're doing this. Shading it in. And then more. Right? They'll do that. So now, see how this looks? And then they will get the matte color and then put it in the middle. Right? So it ends up coming out like this. Like, my mother be right sometimes. Like, this is just like mad extra and drag queeny to me. Like, you don't gotta make lips, baby. You got big lips already. Like, or if you got your lips done, like, there's no need to make it no bigger. But again, to each his own. Some girlies like following the trend, and that's definitely a trend. I'm about to wipe this off because I do not like that. I don't like how I look. I don't like the fact that it's on my top of my lip. It's not even on my lip. It's on the top of it. Like, I don't like that. So I'm taking this off. So mess up my makeup or whatever. But it's cute on some people, especially someone that doesn't have lips. And what I mean by doesn't have lips, I mean obviously they don't have big lips and they want big lips, so this is what they do to make the effect of big lips. I get it. You know, create the illusion. You don't have it, so you figure out what you need to do to make it look like you have it until you could do something that you have to do that can change it permanently. But I get it. But anyways, guys. Ooh. Some of the makeup remover liquid. But I understand the purpose. I understand the trend. I understand to each his own. People like what they like. And this is why I always say makeup is individualized, placed on everybody's standards. Really, makeup is how you make it, how you want it, how you see it, how you want it to look, how you want it to feel, how you want it to eventually, look. It's really is art. It really is. It takes time and patience. It takes time and learning. It takes time. It's a lot of trial and error. A lot of things aren't, I think the beauty industry isn't regulated properly because of certain things. Now, yes, formulas and stuff like that have to be regulated because it has to go in people's skin and stuff like that. But what I mean by a lot of things aren't like really relegated. Like if you have a makeup artist, there's like really no rules unless somebody's like really unsanitary and not doing what they're supposed to do. But y'all get what I'm trying to say. That's it for tonight, guys. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Like,